morning students, welcome back. We have started with Quadrilaterals chapter exercise 8.1 in the previous video, right? Now today we are going to discuss the second part of the chapter exercise that we had left out on page number 146. We had discussed page number 147, question number 9, 10 and 11 in the previous video. Now we shall discuss the rest of the questions. Question number first also we had discussed, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh and eighth. Alright, so let us show second question. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Parallelogram. This chapter is all about parallelograms, as I had said previously also. Exercise 8.1, page number 146. He says, if the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. I'll draw a rectangle because a rectangle itself is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Question number second. What is given to us? We are given parallelogram A, B, C, D in which diagonals are equal. In which diagonal AB, AC is equals to BD. This is given to us. Diagonal AC is equals to diagonal BD. This is given. And what we have to prove? We need to prove that it is a rhombus. We need to prove that it is a rectangle. We need to prove that A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Right? So construction not required. Everything is constructed for us. Proof. C. Observation. Nothing else. And as I have told you previously also, write down whatever things are given to you first. Alright, so what are the things given to us? First of all, ABCD is a parallelogram. So what do we know about the parallelogram? That opposite sides are equal and parallel. Write down, because ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, AB is equals to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Right? And AD is equals to BC and AD is parallel to BC. These are the quantities we know. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. This AD is equals to BC. This AD is parallel to BC. Right? AB is equal and parallel to CD. Along with this, the diagonals are equal and AC is equals to BD. This is given to us. Isn't it? Now, what do we need to prove? We need to prove that it is a rectangle. If the diagonals of a parallelogram, what is a rectangle? When the vertices are 90 degrees. So that means we need to prove that this angle A and angle B are 90. Because it is a parallelogram, angle A is equals to C, B is equals to D. Isn't it? So see what we are taking. In triangle DAB and triangle CBA. DAB, this triangle, and CBA, this triangle we are talking about. Can you see AD is equals to BC? AD is equals to BC given to us. Can you see this side AB common? AB is equals to AB, that is common. This is given. And is the diagonal BD equal to diagonal AC? That is also given. Diagonal BD is equals to diagonal AC. This is also given. So therefore, triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA by what congruency? SSS. And if these two triangles are congruent, is this angle A equals to angle B? So therefore, angle A is equals to angle B. Reason CPCP. But we need to prove that they are 90. Right? We need to prove that they are 90 degree. Then only we can say it is a rectangle. So how do we prove it 90 degree? Check. Because these two lines are parallel, what is the sum sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal. Supplementary 180. Page number 100 of your textbook, theorem number 6.5 and 6.4. Here now, because AD is parallel to BC, so therefore sum of interior angles is supplementary. So therefore angle A plus angle B is equals to 180. So angle A and B both are equal. Both of them are equal. So angle A plus angle A is equals to 180. So twice of angle A is equals to 180. So therefore angle A is equals to 90. How much is this angle A? 90 degree. If angle A is 90, how much is angle B? 90. And A is equals to C, B is equals to D. So therefore it is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Our objective was to make these angles what? 90. So therefore angle A equals to angle B is equals to 90. So therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Right? Clear? So you have to observe, you have to find out what is given to us. That is very important. What can we see? Right? Now take a look at question number 2. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. All of us know the properties of a rhombus. Students, you should know the properties of rhombus, parallelogram, class 8th. Please revise it. Right? What does he say? If the diagonals of a parallelogram of a quadrilateral bisect each other, he does not say quadrilateral parallelogram, he says it is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided figure, so let us draw a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. No specific quadrilateral name is given. He says if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, this is the diagonals 1 and 2, and they bisect each other at 90 degree. AC is equals to, AO is equals to CO, BO is equals to DO. What is given? We are given diagonals of quadrilateral ABCD bisect at 90 degree. What that is? What we have to prove? We need to prove that ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. This is what we have to prove. Now again, write down what is given. Because the diagonals are bisecting each other, write it down. Construction not required. Proof. Diagonals bisect each other, so therefore, because diagonals bisect at 90 degree, therefore AO is equals to CO, BO is equals to DO. AO is equals to CO, BO is equals to DO. And all these angles 1, 2, 3, 4, they are what? 90. Angle AOB equals to angle BOC equals to angle COD equals to angle DOA is equals to 90. This is given to us. Now what do we need to prove? We need to prove that it is a rhombus. What are the properties of a rhombus? A rhombus, adjacent sides are equal. Isn't it? Adjacent sides are equal. Can we prove the adjacent sides equal? Simple. First of all, show that it is a parallelogram and then show that it is a rhombus. Clear? So observe it carefully. You will find which triangles we should take. You will find that we have to take certain triangles and we have to prove that they are equal. That's it. Nothing else. Nothing else. You just have to observe. Take a look. Which triangles? AOD and BOC. In triangle AOD and triangle BOC, is DO equals to BO? DO equals to BO given to us. Is AO equals to CO? AO equals to CO given to us. And is this angle equal to this angle? And angle AOD equals to angle BOC equals to 90. All these three things are given to us in the question. Can you see that? So therefore, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. By what congruency? Side, angle, side. S, A, S. And if these two are congruent, is this side equal to this side? CP, CP. So therefore, AD is equals to BC. Yes? CP, CP. Now, we will prove it parallelly. How? Check. Is this angle number 1 equals to angle number 2? Reason? Alternate interior angle. Can you see? No, not alternate, because these two are congruent. Generally we say alternate, but these two are congruent, so they are equal. Angle number 1 is equals to angle number 2. Similarly, angle number 3 is equals to angle number 4. Angle number 3 is equals to angle number 4. Reason? CPCT. Now we can see that because angle 1 and 2 are equal, 3 and 4 are equal, they are alternate interior angles. Yes, they are alternate interior angles. So, if alternate interior angles are equal, lines are parallel. Theorem number 6.3 on page number 100. Because angle 1 is equals to angle 2, angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Reason? Alternate interior angles. Therefore, AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. So therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Why? Opposite side is equal and parallel. Because a pair of opposite side is equal and parallel. So it is a parallelogram. But our problem was to prove that it is a rhombus. To prove that it is a rhombus. So what did we prove over here also? We proved that parallelogram is a rectangle. Diagonals are equal. What is a rhombus? Adjacent sides are equal. Yes. And the property of a rhombus says if the diagonals of a rhombus bisect at 90. So is the diagonal bisecting at 90? If the parallelogram, the diagonals bisect at 90, then it is a rhombus. So because in parallelogram ABCD, diagonals bisect at 90. Diagonals bisect at 90. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. These are properties we have to do, we have to learn, we have to recall. Students, it is very, very important that we remember, we recall what we have studied in lower classes. If we do not recall it, then it becomes difficult for us. You have to recall whatever quantities, whatever topics you have discussed in class 8, all the properties. It is very, very essential that you remember. Now, this was question number 3rd. Take a look at question number 4th. And 5th we will be discussing together. Let us talk about question number 6 and question number 7 first of all. Question number 6 says, diagonals AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisect angle A. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisect angle A. Figure is given to you. Question number 6. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD. This is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. If it is a parallelogram, AD is equal and parallel to BC. Yes or no? CD is equal and parallel to AB. We know this. Then what does he say? The diagonal bisect angle A. This is diagonal and this angle is bisected. That means this angle is equal to this angle. This is given to us. Write down whatever is given to us. Given parallelogram ABCD in which AC bisects angle A. What we have to prove? We have to prove that AC bisects angle C also. First part, and second part, ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Right? Proof. Construction not required. Proof. Right? See, whatever quantities are given to you, you need to write it. Don't worry about whatever he is asking us. He says it is a parallelogram. Write down. Because ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AB is equals to CD. AB is parallel to CD. AD is equals to BC. AD is parallel to BC, and angle A is equals to angle C. Angle B is equals to angle D. These are the properties of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, and opposite angles are equal. With this, one more thing is given, that this angle number 1 and 2 are equal, and angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Write down the reason. Because AC bisects angle A. Because AC bisects angle A. This is also given to us, not new. Right? So just prove that it is a rhombus. Rhombus means adjacent sides are equal. I need to prove that AD is equals to what? AB. So just one after the other. First of all, we will prove these two triangles congruent. In triangle BAC and triangle CDA. Check. What things are equal? Can you see AD equals to BC? BC is equals to AD. Right? Can you see that AB is equals to CD? AB is equals to CD. Both of them are given to us. Yes? And lastly, is this side AC common? AC is equals to AC, that is common. So therefore, triangle BAC is congruent to triangle CDA by what congruency? S. And if these two triangles are congruent, will the corresponding angles be equal? Yes. Which are the corresponding angles? Check it carefully now. This is important. Opposite to this side AD, which is the side BC. Yes. Opposite to this BC, which is the angle? Angle number 2. And opposite to AD, which is the angle? This angle, that is angle number 3. So therefore, angle 2 is equals to angle 3. And similarly, angle 1 is equals to angle 4. And angle 1 is equals to angle 4. Reason CPCT, corresponding parts. Now we need to prove that these two angles are also equal, because he wants AC bisects angle C. That means we have proved that this 3 is equals to 2, 1 is equals to 4. Now we need to prove that these two are also equal. So we know that angle A is equals to C. This complete angle is equals to this complete angle. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. If this complete angle is equal, will the halves be also equal? What is half of angle A? Angle 1 half of angle C. Angle 4. 1 is equals to what? 4. Because angle A is equals to angle C, so therefore half of angle A is equals to half of angle C. And what is half of angle A? 1 and 2. That is angle 1 is equals to 2 is equals to 3 is equals to 4. So therefore AC bisects angle C also. All these 4 angles are respectively equal. Now we need to prove that it is a rhombus. Rhombus adjacent sides are equal. So check very carefully. Check it out carefully. Is angle 1 and 3 equal? Yes sir. 1 and 3 is equal. Is angle 2 and 4 equal? Yes sir. So will the sides opposite to them be also equal? Chapter number 7 again? Yes. Now in triangle ABC, angle number 2 is equals to angle number 4. Proved above. Here we have proved angle number 2 is equals to angle number 4. So therefore, sides opposite to the equal angles are also equal. AB is equals to BC. So therefore, AB is equals to BC. Write down. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Yes. Yes. So therefore, what do I see? What do I see? But sir, AB was equals to what? CD. And CD was equal. And BC is equals to what? AD. So will all 4 of them be equal? So therefore, therefore, AB is equals to BC, but AB is also equals to CD. Can you see that? AB is also equals to CD and BC is equals to AD and BC is equals to AD. So therefore, AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. So therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. All sides are equal. Clear? Correct? So these are important questions on observation. You have to observe them and do it. Question number 7 is based on the same. You can do question number 7. You can try it out. Question number 7 says ABCD is a rhombus. Now he is saying ABCD is a rhombus. Here we have proved that it is a rhombus. Then show that diagonal AC bisects A as well as C. Here we have proved. And angle B and D also. The same thing that we do for AC, same thing we have to do for BD. And he is telling me that it is a rhombus. Rhombus means all sides are equal. So it will be easy. I hope you can do. Question number 2nd, 3rd and question number 6 we have done. 7th we have to try. 4th and 5th we shall do. 8th also you can do. It is a very easy question. ABCD is a rectangle. Right? In case you have a problem, you can ask or we will solve it in the next video. Thank you.